Christmas Wreath. Learn to make a decoration for Christmas. Materials: green chart paper, scissors, red ribbon, and glue. Cut the green paper according to the outline. Cut small triangles as shown. Cut the circle in the center as shown. Cut a ribbon of 78 inches. Put the ribbon in the triangles as shown. Tie the ends into a bow. Apply glue to the ends of the bow and press gently. Cut a piece of 10-inch ribbon and take the ribbon to make a loop. Apply glue on the ends, then stick it as shown. And it's ready. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such easy activities for children.